Tenant just moved out, right? Not too long ago. Usually when a tenant moves out, right, do some paint, some minor things, and then hopefully get some kind of new. This one kind of a little bit more than that. We did things right the first time, which is why I'm going to show you guys things we did, what we're going to do before we get into tenant. So let me show you real quick. So if you look in here, these are new cabinets, right? All you gotta do is get clean, white, they look good, right? Countertops, they could probably be new ones. Or simple, pop out the new ones in, right? And then obviously you have new floors, right? All that stuff is done. It's gonna be done there. But the point of this video is this: it was done right when we bought the home. Plumbing is completed. It's perfectly done. Electrical is done. So things that are actually done in the house, that's behind the walls, is already complete. We have to go back there and get stuff done. All we gotta do is cosmetic things that's inexpensive. And then guess what? We're raising rent. So we're gonna make that money back, but also keep the property nice for the tenant. So definitely something to think about, doing things right the first time. Plumbing, electrical, roof, all the major things, HVAC. So then when tenants move out, they will have things messed up, as you can tell. It's little been used, right? But that's okay, because all this can get replaced easily, right? And that's how we're gonna make our money back.